Hi everybody, Candace here with Greener Farms DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to take these cute little headbands and make little decorations to put on top of them. I have an upcoming Bigfoot festival, so I am making Bigfoot decorations to put on the top. And the first thing you want to do is put your stabilizer in the hoop and make sure it's nice and tight. And you're going to put it into the arms of your machine, and you're going to stitch an outline, and that outline lets you know where to put your pieces of vinyl. And then you put your pieces of vinyl down, and then it tacks it down. Now I like to do it all in one continuous piece, so I load them in, and then I take a nice big piece of this vinyl and I lay it down in there, and then I let it stitch out the tack down, which tacks it down, and then it continues to move forward and does the design. Now once you get the design stitched out, this is where you want to cover the back side of your vinyl, and that way nobody sees that back side of the stitching. And the way that you do that is you take another piece of the cork material and you're going to tape it to the back side of the hoop. And so I grab my fabric tape, I flip my hoop over, and then I lay my cork on top to make sure I have the right width that I want. I don't want to waste a lot of product, so I'm looking for those little guidelines that are right there that are outlining the design, and then I just cut. And then now what I'm going to do is tape down those loose edges so that way I can flip it back around and it doesn't move on me. Now the reason I'm doing this is to cover up the back side of the stitching. This is called reverse floating. So when I have design directions and it says reverse float, this is what you're doing. So then I put it back in the arms of my machine. And now it's going to go through and it's going to stitch all the way around, sealing off the back side. Alright, so this is done stitching out. I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the arms, and you can see the back side just has the outline stitched out around it. So what I'm going to do is take my scissors now, and I'm going to go and I'm going to cut out each of the pieces so that way I can go ahead and put them on the headband. And to cut them out, I just use a regular pair of scissors. If you want a more unique look, you could use pinking shears that give the little zigzag look on the outside. But I'm just going to do just scissors. Alright, the design is all done stitching out. All I did is I used my scissors and I went ahead and cut out all of the different pieces right here that I needed to make this design. And then I figured out what layout I wanted for my headband, and then I started to assemble it. So it's just as simple as that. You're going to use the little bottom pieces to slide through the headband, and then you can go ahead and attach at any orient. I like them a little bit to the slanted to the side when I'm wearing the headband, and then you just attach it. You can make an extra one to put the same saying on the back, so from behind, who's hunting who. But that is how I made my Bigfoot headband accessories, and there is one out there for tulips, and that I believe is in April 2019. This is an August 2019 design. That will be the Bigfoot Pack 2 that's going to be coming out for August. But I wanted to go ahead and just give you some basic steps on how to do these fun little ears. If you have a special request for a design, embellished headband design, please write to me. You can find my email address on shop.greenrooffarmsdiy.com, and I do take custom orders, but these are very fun. This is going to be going with me to the Bigfoot Festival, and a really great way to showcase any type of theme that you're looking to do with these cute little headbands, making these headband accessories. All right, everybody, thanks for watching and have a great day.